Welcome to the vlog, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we get to make some cookie, you know, decoration stuff. My favorite, we got some sprinkles because I'm a 5-year-old at heart. And we got some white frosting. Yeah, I can't think of the word. And we got the spatulas when she misbehaves. I'm just kidding. We got the little one for her, the big one's for me. No, just kidding. That makes it weirder. At the same time, no, not like, you want to find out the difference or turn around? Just kidding. Anyways, we got them cookies with the sugar. We cooked them behind the scenes because it was like a lot of like, you know, like stressful stuff because you can't, someone doesn't know how to like put a little dot of cookie dough and then she puts a big thing and makes a cookie like the 10 times the size of this sucker. So we're just gonna, who ate this one? Someone cheated. Anyway, oh never mind, the other piece is right here, I think. No, that's two completely different pieces. Those don't go together. So, yeah, somebody cheated twice. That must have been you. You get the one that you cheated on already. You want a whole cookie? I bet you do. Here's one. Alrighty, at least yours looks better. Now we get our frosting. Just stick this little sucker like this. And then smear it all around. Just get your cookie and then just sprinkles and just kind of drop them like this. And then they look like professional cookies, professionally made, right? They look like that. Does that look good or not? Like, you know what I mean? If it focuses, I can't tell. But yeah, it looks like that.
Excuse me.
Mmm, well good. I'm a 5-year-old at heart, so the more sprinkles the better. Oh. Ew, did you just fart? No, I heard that.
I didn't.
You did?
No, I didn't.
Heard something. Your elbow. You gonna blame your elbow?
Cause like I went like this.
Yeah, I've heard that one before. So yeah, there's my cookies. You know, that's what I get to take for my lunch. Don't those look delicious? Those on the other hand look just as good. What?
I thought
you gonna tell me shut up? I was gonna say they look just good. They're not bad.
Jump, 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 jump.
I'm thirsty, dang. Okay, so she selfishly got herself some juice, you know. She didn't bother asking if I wanted juice.
You got milk.
I finished my milk. Well, just a little bit. But here are all of our cookies. They turned out really, really good. Now I'm gonna have some nice snacks when I go to work. Y'all wanna see something amazing that I just barely found out how to do? Never mind, never mind. Okay, well, I thought I fixed the damn light, but the light still doesn't want to work. Okay, how about the one in here? Okay, well, that's just embarrassing. It's a fail. It's because I'm on camera and that's why, but basically, maybe if I hit it, the light's supposed to turn on, and I got it to where the light would turn on. Yeah. And this is bull, because I took out the dang tool to go do it, and now it wants to work. Okay, now let's see if this one works. Okay, now that one doesn't want to work still. Now it doesn't want to work. You see what I mean? I hate this thing. What do you know? I fixed that one and then bam, that one turns on. So I don't know what the heck going on, but I got it to work and that's all that matters. See, I know what I'm doing, okay? Sometimes, half the time. I don't really think it often, but I think RC messed up on one thing. She allowed me to buy a PlayStation and I've just been playing that like a lot. So instead of recording like I probably should have been, I've been on this little fanny dandy thing playing some Need for Speed, you know, because it's pretty cool. I was playing some Fortnite, so I'm getting in that game now too. She's only gonna miss me. She once had a husband.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. I once had a wife, and then she had that thing, that phone. So now I don't have a wife. I'm just kidding. Having it on a big screen actually makes it even better, you know what I mean? Because like you can actually see things now. And then the surround sound, you know what I mean? That's up there. Yeah, right there and there. Just wait till you guys hear what Call of Duty sounds like when I put it on full blast and take a shot. It's like, that's my favorite part. She doesn't like it because it sounds so realistic, but I like it. Time has flown by way too damn quick, you know what I mean? Like, just one moment 6 o'clock, next moment it's 10 o'clock. Now it's time to say goodnight to the dogs. Where'd they go?
Outside.
There's no dogs in here. You can go see them all taking a crap probably, because that's what they've been waiting. Yep, that's what she's doing. No, she's going pee. Hi, Bailey. Hi. Hi. The camera is not a weapon. It's not gonna hurt you. Don't worry. Hi. Oh, look at you. Look at you. No. Oh, you want to be in the camera? Or you just cold. You just want to go inside. You don't even actually like me. Do you? Do you actually like me? You actually like me? Oh, you don't like each other, you get jealous. Oh, okay. They get jealous of each other, whoever I try to play with. They're like, no, that's my owner. Like, they just like got disowned by Horsey, you know what I mean? And they just go, where are you going, dogs? You need to come back in here. Get to your bedroom now. Bailey knows how to listen. Little sugar poo over there don't know how to walk, or not walk, know how to listen. Huh, baby. You ready to go Mimi's? Time to go night-night. Time to go night-night, you ready? Yeah, that little sucker over there would just go and play all damn day. Too much. Bailey, you're more calm. I like you. You're more relaxed. You're a good dog. Jealous, huh? What? You can do some karate chops on me? Look at that. See what I'm talking about? Now you biting me now. Bailey defending me? What you doing? What are you doing? You're gonna get white furry things all over me. Ah! Ah! Bailey, I'm sorry. I still love you. You, on the other hand, you hurt when you bite. You used to hurt and grow out of the baby chewing stage. Where are you going? Stay in your room. Bring some water with you before you go upstairs. That's why we have stocked up. We had like 4 of these like things of water down there, you know? It was like, yeah. But we still have more inside this like other thing here, but yeah. I should probably turn this off so that way, you know, we ain't causing no fires in the middle of the night. That's dangerous, you know. And you gotta do your little safety check. So what part of owning a home, you gotta safety check. Make sure all the doors are locked, safe, you know, because you got a family you gotta support now, and it's getting dark. And when I say family, I just mean like just my wife, you know. You know, it's funny, I always call her Sugar Poo. She is my Sugar Poo. Trying to go to bed?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, it's Buttercup. What are you throwing me this for? I gotta put this on my own pillow now? Oh my god. You actually want me to do something? That's a no bueno. I can't get this off. What? You lost your pillowcase?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay, as long as you didn't lose mine. So I'm just trying to figure out what the heck to talk about because I totally forgot to record earlier. It's more involved in watching other YouTubers. And here I am, trying to make my video before I go to bed. You legit walking all the way over there with a blanket.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's not even that cold. That's what we got a heater for.
But then it's like 100 degrees.
I know. That's the thing about our heaters here, you know? We're on the heater, but then it's like the heater gets 1,000,000 degrees when you just had it on for like only 10 minutes. And then you can't even go to sleep. And you gotta open up the window, and the window's blowing in some cold air because it's like helica cold outside. Yeah. Helica? Not even a word. I'm just talking. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed because it's time. It's that time of the day, like I said, for the 5th millionth time. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Laters.